Hello, my Capricorn, Aquarius, cusp sign. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of October 25 will be for you, my love. Sweetie pies, if you're new to my channel, do like, share and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. If you belong to my zodiac signs, darlings, hang on for some more time. Shortly, we'll upload a reading for you. This is for my cusp babies. So let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11 to the 20th, that is 20, and then from the 21st to the 31st. Let's go. Angels and spirit guides. You guys are so receptive. Let's take them. Maybe you have something coming up for you. We begin with projections, integration, control, traveling, moment to moment. Okay, so what is happening? In the first 10 days, you are traveling successes, embracing good news is coming up. But if you see, it's in the center, which is trying to say avoid controlling people or situations, avoid getting caught, because I think you're kind of stuck between the past and the future, so you need to stay in the moment. Maybe you will be juggling. Now the problem lies between you. You are confused. The yin and yang energies have gone for a toss, and I think you are confused, trying to figure out a balance, like, a confusion of emotions, or it could be a materialism. Whatever it is, remember, people are mirroring you. So if you are angry, the opposite person is also angry, and this is exactly what universe is trying to say, that darlings, the problem lies within you. It's not in the opposite person. Okay, so you need to work on yourself. Now let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th, that is 20 of the October month. Okay, let's take that. We begin harmony, comparison, and going with the flow. So if you can see, we have two fives coming in your read, which is trying to say you are resisting the change. Again, that is going to number 10, the ace. So something beautiful is beginning, but I think your roadblocks are your confusion, stepping out of your comfort zone. Probably you are scared. At this point, you should listen to your higher self. So get attuned to your higher self. Prayers, chanting mantras should help you. Also be happy. This entire week or the 10 days are all about going with the flow, trusting the universal process, increase water intake, and believe. Okay, love heals anything, everything is what is always I say. So avoid being rigid. Okay, now let's come to the last 10 days. That would be from the 21st to the 31st. We begin with schizophrenia. My bad, I'm so sorry. We have participation, innocence, master. You are the master of your life. Whatever you want, you can achieve. You have good news coming up. So travel, celebrations, enjoying the simplicity of life. In fact, birth of a new venture, or in addition the family, but unwanted confusion. For what? I think you are still stuck up. Maybe that's the reason you're just creating your own barriers, and your higher self is trying to tell you something. So listen to your higher self. Now let's ask your angels what guidance would they like to give you for this month. Angels and spirit guides. go for it. Whatever you want to achieve, you can have that. Probably you're just stopping yourself. Take that leap of faith. In fact, your angels are supporting you also. Your gurus, mentors, spiritual guides are there. So it's all about taking control of your life. I think you are not doing that. You're scared. So call for your angels. They will help you. Now let's come to the matters of heart. Let's see what's coming for you. We have the chaser and keys on a ring. So my love, avoid getting into abandonment issues, or there is somebody who takes you as an option, or probably you could be the one who's trying to get into the option mode. Maybe that is what the inner child is trying to say, and that is where the confusion is coming. So gain clarity, avoid getting into that. Even if you think you guys have issues, maybe because you guys are karmically connected, maybe that's the reason you might feel that extreme pull and push effect, but do not get entangled is what universe is trying to say. So just be careful at that side. Now let's ask universe, anything specific coming up for you in this month? We have mature man. So there is somebody like, again we have number 5. Can you see? You have number 5 coming up in your readings, which is trying to say that changes are coming in your life. So a matured man who carries a lot of wisdom, knowledge, experience. I think that is the kind of person who is walking in your space and will bring in the positive shift in your life. So keep your eyes and ears open. So how should I sum up this month? Well, allow the changes. I think you are just skeptical. There is a part of you that you are not ready to accept or heal or deal, and this is exactly what it's trying to say, that something good is definitely coming up. You just need to keep going with the flow. Stay in the moment. Maybe you're getting carried away and you are scared. So avoid getting stuck in that process. Good news, celebrations, happiness. In fact, you have your spiritual gurus, mentors always being supportive towards you. Your angels are asking to take control of your life and just head towards it. Just stay focused. At the matters of heart, karmically is why you will have that feeling of being with that someone or getting into unwanted relationships. Avoid doing that. Okay, that is why you need to gain clarity for that as well. And yes, a matured person, a masculine energy will play a major role in this month. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.